Exercise is the source of nutrients, the source of healing. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. How do you heal yourself? If we know how to rest, if we know how to balance yourself daily, and the healing is happen naturally. Exercise is the source of nutrients, the source of healing. So if you know how to balance yourself, you know how to exercise daily, you know how to rest the body and your mind, and you already help yourself to have a space in your body, the space in your mind, to heal naturally. Healing here is not healing as an individual, but healing as a collective. I feel when I exercise, I feel my whole ancestor exercise with me. So I feel very healed in my body. I don't feel fear, I don't feel afraid that I do alone. I have trust in this body. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. And when you recognize that you can move your hand, you recognize that you are alive. You are alive in this moment. And that is healing. That is wonderful to have this body. You can move, you can breathe, you can relax, and you can heal at the same time. So I have that trust anytime that when I do exercise. I have trust to this body. I entrust my body, and my body entrusts me, myself. These movements can help yourself to relax your spine, but also to heal your lower back, okay? So breathe in, raise your hands up, stand your two legs wider than your shoulders. Breathe out, you open your palms, stretch your hands, and then you put your two palms on your thighs or on your knees, okay? And then from the right side, hold stand to the right. You draw the circle from the right, okay? Breathe in, move your head to front, and then to your left, and then in the back, and then breathe out. Go to the right, and then move front and to the left again, and look in the back, okay? Hold stand to the left. And do reverse again, inhale. Exhale, allow yourself to move slowly. Feel your lower back. You use your two legs and your two hands to keep balance, okay? Reverse, in the back, and then out. Release tension from your lower back, your neck, and your shoulders, okay? Reverse, in, out. Move in the back, in, out. Reverse, in, out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Release tensions from your shoulders, your hips, and your back. So the next one we call the body curving, looking up and down, okay? Breathe in, stretch your hands upward. Breathe out, turn your palms in front of your face. Inhale, move in the back. And exhale. You can reach the ground, okay? Keep your knees straight. You can stand in such a way that you keep your legs straight and you can reach, somehow you can reach the earth, okay? Breathe in, look up. You look up and you raise your toes, okay, in the back. Stand by your toes, breathe out, put your heels down. You press your body and look through your two legs, okay? In, look up. Stand by your toes, out, move your body in the back, look through your two legs. then holding your toes. Okay, you can hold in your toes. Breathe in, you look through your two legs in the back, and breathe out, you can look up. Okay, and then allow your neck to relax. Your two elbows inside your knees. Okay, look like you sit like a cat. Okay, like a cat. Okay, breathe in. Look down. Allow your hips to open and relax your lower back and tailbone. In. In. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. The next movement we call the cleansing the fist. Okay, stand your two legs wider than your shoulder. Okay, like that. Breathe in, your palms you push front. Breathe out, turn your two hands together, make the fist by the two hands. Okay, and then you lower down, hold stand to the center. Breathe in, you can punch front the right hand. Breathe out, allow yourself to clenching the fist. Okay, and move back energy in and out. Allow yourself to release tension. Inhale. Exhale. Bring back the energy. In. Out. In, right hand. Make a circle. Bring back energy. In. That's so wonderful. And then the next one, your left hand holding the right wrist. Okay, like that. We call the clicking heels and resting your lower back. Okay, breathe in, your hands move up, stand by the toes, and breathe out. You massage and click your heel down. Okay, and raise your toe a little bit. In, out. Inhale. Exhale. In, out. That's so wonderful. Breathe in, open your palms deep. Out.